So today, yesterday, I got a box from Mary Maximus. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Anywho's, I got a box from them because I ordered some yarn for a project I had to do for somebody, and instead of just ordering 3 scans of yarn, I ordered a little bit more. Anyways, let's go see what I got. Alright, I got a surprise. It's called a yarn surprise package. So I got this yarn surprise. Sorry, I have like tins sitting there. I have another project I'm planning. Alright, so we're gonna open this bag up and see what I all got. First we got the label. We got a peace or prayer blanket. Got one of those, and then I got a baby blanket, and then another baby blanket, and a hat. Might do this. Might. I don't know. I don't know. Depends. Okay. So I got some twisted chunky, well, you can see it. Okay, that's what I got. I got 6 of those. I might make some hats out of them. So we're gonna set that aside. And then I got what's this? I got Minkins. I can't pronounce it, so I'll show it to you. Okay, I got 6 of those. I'm not sure what we're going to do with those. Maybe I'll make another Knotted Lovely. See how far it goes. I got some more white in the house. Okay, so we'll throw that on the floor. I'll put it back in the bag later. And I got 4 of Loopy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Shawl, maybe fingerless gloves. Not sure yet. And I got 6 of these. Maybe I'll do an elephant. This is called Bella. I might do an elephant, a glittery elephant, and maybe a glittery horsey. It's kind of a grayish color. It's pretty. And then I got 2 of these. What's this called? Wool and tweed. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna make with that. We'll figure it out. Set that on the floor here. So, and then I got more. I got more yarn. All right. I gotta pull it out of the box. All right. So, sorry if this is noisy. All right. So, and then I got Toden Higgins bag. I can't pronounce it, so a bag a day. I got in this color because I thought this was pretty. I'm probably gonna do fingerless gloves with these, maybe, or a hat. Not sure yet. Haven't decided. And then I have bag a day, also in this really nice teal color, which I thought was kind of pretty. And then I'm gonna make some hats. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that back in the bag. I'm supposed to get another order from Hobby Lobby, but I'm not sure when it's gonna come. It might come tomorrow, or it might be here Wednesday. I'm not sure when. Okay, and then I got some cotton yarn. orange, black, and a pink, a bright pink. Because I'm going to make more washcloths. I'm gonna start making sets and sell them like to a set. See how that goes. I have more cotton yarn back there, so okay. And I got some big twist big twist push. Okay. It's a bit thinner, but I can still make scrunchies out of this, and maybe I'll make a sweater for one of the 14-inch dolls or the 18-inch dolls that I have. Maybe. Okay, so I got pink, this dark pink. Then I got it. Well, I should see what it says. What it's called. It doesn't really say. Oh, it says smooth bowl color. And this one is blue raspberry. And this one is pink something. I can't pronounce it. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Light pink. Okay, so I'm gonna probably make scrunchies and maybe some doll sweaters. And I'm gonna rearrange the prices on my scrunchies. I think I'm gonna do a little bit different with them. We'll see. Okay. So far that's what I'm doing with this. And then the reason why I've got this order, because somebody wanted a phone holder in this color. So I ordered what she wanted, and I got 3 of them, because I'm probably going to make a set of fingerless gloves. It's going to be the same as this one. So that's what I'm going to do with this. This is really, really pretty. This is really pretty. It's kind of like different kinds of sparkles. There's gold, there's all kinds of colors. So yeah, so I'm gonna probably work on that. I'm going to finish this morning. I will finish that one purse I was working on. I will be finishing it. I only have a little bit of the handle to make and a few more things, and I'll show you when it's finished, and then I will because I'm going to do a couple videos. This is not going to be the only video I'm going to do today. So yeah, so that's the idea with this. This is the reason why I ordered it. I ordered the rest just to get free shipping. It's pretty much what it was for. So I got free shipping on that. Now I have these tins. And I have this one lined. I'm thinking about putting stitch markers in these things, and like either doing it on that one thing, but doing these. I have a bunch of these laying around. This one needs a little sanding, I think, but anyways, I'm thinking about doing, because I got a bunch of these. I ordered these some years ago with some other idea that didn't work out, and I have some of them that are lined like this. All it is felt. I'm thinking about putting a set of stitch markers in there and maybe selling them that way. I have a bunch of different colors. I just gotta find them. They might be out here, and then again they might be in the house still. I have to kind of look and see where they are. I think they're in the house. See, because I have a bunch of plain ones still. I have a few plain ones. I ordered these some years ago. And they're nice little tins. I mean, you could even keep your needles in there. So, anyways, I'm thinking about doing that. Working on some of these, because I have beads out here. And I have stitch markers, the stitch marker part, which are great. I mean, so that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm gonna set these over further, but anyways, that is what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna finish up that purse. I'm probably gonna do another video. I might do a few today. I don't know. Depends on how enthused I am on doing videos and stuff. And I hope I'm inspiring you to finish projects or start new ones. I think that we should be finishing up some of our projects. We set it aside for some reason or another. Usually I set it aside because I get bored of them. And it's not because it's boring. It's because I'm just found something more interesting to do, probably. And then I forget about them. But I have bunches of stuff to do. I always do. I always have it that way, though. I'm always working on stuff. So, but anyways, like I said, I'm gonna start that today. I can usually finish one of these in, I don't know, 8 hours. It depends. It depends on how fast I crochet it. This person wants a specific length. So that's, and it's custom because they want a specific length. I personally would want it longer than that. Sorry, my tins are popping. Or one of my jars just popped. I have salad supplies out here, so I keep my nuts in I keep them in jars. I keep them in mason jars because the nuts stay fresher for my salads when I have salad. I'm technically was switching to vegetarian for a while, and then I kind of eat both. So anyways, I'm going to let you go on this video, and I'm going to make another one in a while because I need to finish up this purse, and I need to put all this yarn back into the box that I took it out of and put it back into storage. Yeah, I'm still waiting on my Hobby Lobby yarn that I ordered, because sometimes it's easier for me to order the stuff than go there. I don't drive. My son does, and I need to get my license. Let's just not go there. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. You know what to do. Please subscribe to this channel if you like crocheting content or crafty content. I'm gonna start doing crafty content too. Oh, and if you like homesteading stuff, well, I'll send a few videos here and there when I get a chance. I have 2 that I need to put up, and I didn't put them up yet. I have them in my phone, and I have to put this video up, and I will have to, well, anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you like. I read them all. Just know that if I didn't answer you, I have read it. And I'm going to keep doing these daily videos. Going to get something out every day. Sometimes a few videos, sometimes just one. It just depends on what I feel like doing. But I'm going to try to get one out every day. So far, this is the 15th day in a row that I've done a video. So I'm really proud of myself. I'm hoping to keep up the good work. Yeah. So catch you all later. Bye-bye now.